Hey guys, my name's Indy and I really love skateboarding. I started skating about 2 years ago and I realized it was so much fun. Since then, I've had an idea of building a skate ramp at my own house. How crazy is that? And we were able to make it a reality, which is so cool. So we're going to show you our skate ramp. Come on, Aria. So I knew I wanted a skate ramp, but I didn't really know how to actually build the skate ramp. So what we did was we worked out how big each of the ramps needed to be, we worked out how wide they needed to be, and then my boyfriend Sean, he's a builder, so he came in and helped us actually build the ramp, which is so cool.
Hi guys, my name's Aria and I'll be showing you how to drop in. The first thing you got to do is place your board on the coping like this and put your foot on the very edge. One of the things that are really important to focus on when you're trying to drop in is 1, to look where you're going, and 2, you have to push down as hard as you can with this foot here, like this.
Whoa. Yeah.
One time when I didn't commit, I didn't push really hard on this foot here, and when I went down, I slipped out like that and I fell on my back.
Ouch! Oh my gosh.
And it's just like in life too. If you see something you want, you gotta fix your eyes on it and you have to commit to it 100%. Just like following Jesus.
Sometimes though, when you try tricks, it takes ages to learn something you want to get. Sometimes I'll spend hours and hours and days and days and days trying to learn something and I just can't get it. But it's in those situations where you know you just can't give up. You have to try and try and try again. And eventually, the thing is, you do end up getting it. So even though skating's hard, it shows you that if you put in the hard work, you'll get there. This is one of the tricks that I took ages to learn, but I'm really happy I've got it now. You ready?
This is the trick that I've been trying to get. I haven't got it yet, but I'm gonna keep trying until I do.
Whoa, almost. Not only has skating been so much fun for me, but it's also given me opportunities to help other people that are learning. So when you work hard at the things you do, you can help other people who are learning too. And that's just one of the ways that God has used my skateboarding to help other people. So I encourage you guys, when you guys find something you enjoy doing, make sure you give all the glory to God and say, God, how can you use me in the things that I love? Because that's what God has done in my skateboarding and He can do it with you too.
Thanks for hanging with us, guys.